Good day. We have another example. This will be in your notes as a PowerPoint. So you're given two reactants. One's volume concentration, one's a mass. And we know we have to start with a balanced chemical equation. Once we've done that, we've got to figure out limiting. We've got to figure out the excess and how much in excess. And then from the limiting, we're going to get the theoretical yield. So if we are organized, this is no problem. So there's our volume concentration. There's our mass. Here's our moles. Boom, boom, we've multiplied there. Here we've divided by the molar mass of sodium carbonate. If you don't trust me, you can work out the molar mass and see if I've made it right or wrong. Now this is a tougher question, figuring out the limiting and excess. What we see here is we have to take this number multiplied by 3 over 2. And when we multiply by 3 over 2, you see we get a number that's smaller than this. So right away we know that this is limiting. Should have chosen a different color. And that this is excess. So now we're ready to do our subtraction. And then we would take that and multiply by the molar mass of sodium carbonate that we used earlier to get the amount of excess. Then we have to go to the product. Well, the product, we're going to go from our moles reactant of limiting. So make sure you understand this was from multiplying by the molar mass of sodium carbonate, not pulled from thin air. And we know this is limiting, so we multiply by 1 over 2. So this is half as big as that. And then we multiply by the molar mass of the aluminum carbonate. And then we're home free. Hopefully I didn't say silver earlier. I always get myself confuddled. Alrighty. So there's our molar mass of aluminum carbonate. And there's our theoretical yield, 1.31 grams of aluminum carbonate. Hopefully that stuff is making sense. Yet another example. We're told the percent yield's 88.5%. Calculate the actual yield. Well, we're going to use these two pieces of information. We know the actual yield has to be smaller, so we're just going to take 0.885, multiply it by 1.31. So we convert our percent to a decimal, and we get a number smaller than 1.31 grams. And we get 1.16 grams. That is a pretty good yield. So that covered a lot of the waterfront.